rolling into it. Well, we're back, and after seeing the dash cam video, you can see how well the truck's running, and then it didn't. Kind of after that little first gear burnout I did when it wheel hopped so bad. Well, let's see what happened. Y'all ready for this? Because I wasn't ready for this when I opened up the hood. Let's flip this around. So, as you can see, I bet you can guess what happened, because there's no battery tie down. And there's a lot of lead right there. And right there. Look at that. Almost burned a hole in my damn valve cover. I was figuring, well, I don't really need to tie the battery down because I'm just driving around the neighborhood. Well, you know how things go. It's run like a champ. So, what do you do when your car's running like a champ? You romp on it. Like a dumbass. So anyway. So now I probably need a new battery. My neighbor helped me push it back up in the yard. My daughter drove it. That would have probably been some good video. Stepping on kittens. But anyway. So yeah, it's, as you can see from the video, when I first take off, it's running like a champ. Hit it in second gear, just laid into it, and then just lit the back tires up. So, motor's finally running good, truck's running good, brakes are good, steering's good, battery. And hopefully with it shorting out, it didn't fry any, it didn't fry my MSD box. We'll have to know when we get a battery in here in a couple weeks and all that stuff. So anyway, this is probably gonna be my last video on Red for a little while. Don't forget to watch the live on Monday nights. We'll be giving away that custom plaque for your channel this week. So whoever wins that, still haven't figured out if I'm going to do a just random code generator or if I'm going to do like a question from my videos. I'm not sure yet. Well, we'll see how that goes. But y'all go out there and turn some wrenches. Make sure you have your battery tied down, even if you're just going around the block. Trust me, I know better. Fucking know better. But anyway, guys, we'll see y'all later. Take it easy.